In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color in AutoCAD quickly and easily. Whether you want a darker workspace to reduce eye strain, a lighter background for better visibility, or just want to customize AutoCAD to your preference, this tutorial will walk you through every step. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple AutoCAD tips and tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open AutoCAD and load any drawing. You can open a new file or use an existing project, whichever you prefer. Once AutoCAD is open, go down to the command line and type Options, then press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Options window, where you can adjust many settings inside AutoCAD. In the Options window, look along the tabs at the top and click on the Display tab. The Display tab controls several visual settings, including how your drawing area looks. Now find the section called Window Elements, and in that area, click the Colors button. This opens the Drawing Window Colors dialog, which is where you can customize the appearance of your workspace. Inside this dialog, you'll first want to choose the context. This is the area of AutoCAD you want to change, such as 2D model space or sheet/layout. If you're working in the main drawing area, 2D model space is usually the one you want. Next, look for the interface element option and set it to uniform background. This tells AutoCAD that you want to change the main background color of the drawing window. After that, choose the color you want from the list. AutoCAD gives you several options, so you can pick a color that suits your workflow best. Many users prefer black or dark gray for a modern look, while others choose white or another light color for printing and visibility. Once you've selected your preferred color, click Apply and Close. This saves the color choice and takes you back to the Options window. To finish, click OK in the Options window to save everything and close the settings. Your background color should now be updated immediately in AutoCAD. If the change doesn't look right, you can always repeat the steps and choose a different color until you find the one that works best for you. And that's how you change the background color in AutoCAD in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more AutoCAD tips, tricks, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.